In this guide, we will demonstrate how to pay for Unity promotional packages, split licenses using your Smart Coin swapping balance. You can check your available swapping balance on the plcswapping.com website in the Swapping Smart Balance widget on the dashboard. Now let's proceed with the payment process. Log in to the DeFi-U website. Choose the license you want to purchase and click the Purchase button. A payment method selection window will appear. Select the Swapping Smart Payment method. Ensure you agree with the provided terms by checking the corresponding box and click Purchase. Afterward, you will be redirected to the Platin_Passport authorization page. Please enter your login and password to proceed, or confirm the login from your account if you were previously authorized. Next, you will land on the payment page. In this window, you will find the order number, countdown timer, the amount in Smart, and your current balance. To complete the payment, click the button that says, "Yeah, I want that." Wait for a notification confirming the receipt of your payment. Done. You have successfully paid for the product using your Smart swapping balance. After the payment is processed, you will notice a decrease in the Swapping Smart Balance widget value on the PLC Swapping website dashboard. Now you need to activate the license. To do this, proceed to the My Licenses menu. Locate the purchased and click on the Activate button. If you want to review the activation history, you can do it by navigating to the Activation History tab. Congratulations, you have purchased and activated your Unity Split license. On the Total Unity Split Limit widget on the dashboard, you will see that your available split limit has increased. If you encounter any issues or have questions, feel free to reach out to our support service, and we will be happy to assist you.